you live? Good evening, everyone. Hello, guys. Welcome to our daily stock market insights, and we are live. So let's wait for everyone to join. Let me also invite our friends. One moment. There you go. Hi, good evening. So this is how it works. I would normally review your favorite stocks from the Philippine stock market or even in the US market. So the only thing you need to do here is just drop a comment and let me know the stock you would like me to review for you. Okay? So yes, welcome. We already have a few joiners. Welcome, welcome. So just drop a comment over here. Good evening. There you go, just testing the chat box. All right. Okay. So let us begin. On my screen right now is, all right, let me transfer that. Okay. The page is still loading. Okay, there you have it. Not this page. We are currently inside Investograms, and this is the chart or the tool I use when I analyze our Philippine stock market, or when we analyze our stocks in the Philippine Stock Exchange. Okay, so I'll start reviewing some of the most popular stocks we have here. By the way, if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, please hit that subscribe button so you get notified whenever we have our uh, daily stock market insights. Okay, so let's start off with BPI. So BPI right now is giving us some signs of weakness, and in today's market it ended below the MA20 line. So this is the Bollinger Band, and it ended below the MA20 line. However, it has also created a support at the area where it is at right now. So this is what we're going to do. You have to observe by tomorrow. If in case most of the action happens on the upside, then that would mean we have established a support in this level, and then this is just an area of bounce. However, if most of the action happens below 96.42, that would mean that this stock is now bound to decline. Okay, so that's your area of focus. This is the line or price that you need to observe as for several months. The overall sentiment of the market towards BPI is more on uh, is bullish. Okay, so the direction is towards an upward direction, and now that most of the action, we have ended below the MA20 line, and multiple times for several days it hit that same price over there. So it's really a wait and see game for this stock. Let us see if most of the action happens on the upside or below that line. Because if it happens below that line, then that means it will retrace. Okay, I just got my notebook. The next one would be, let's take a look at East West. East West. For East West, okay, so this is the interesting part. We are having a bull run for East West. And it showed, well, this was September. Okay. As of today, their Q3 revenue says that there is a positive net income for this particular stock. That means, that may have influenced the massive or, yeah, a significant increase in the price. So that means people are bullish. In other words, they feel confident in this stock, and I think this is the time that we have been waiting for. It has been on a sideways movement over here, pretty much sideways for almost 1 year, and then right now it has broken this resistance, and this might give us a brand new wave. So just in case, I would have to say in case, because this is also another resistance. Where it is at right now is also very near a resistance. This resistance, that is what it is going to challenge in the coming days. If we are able to continue the movement on the upside, then that means that this resistance can now act as a support. A previous resistance can now be a support. So when it happens, that would mean we will now face a brand new wave for this particular stock. However, if this stock gives us a red candlestick by tomorrow in case, and it will rest, I would have to say that this is the support that we would like to monitor. Okay, that is the possible area of bounce in the event this stock will retrace, and it will rest at this level before it gives us another wave or another bullish movement. Okay, but in terms of, let's say, the background of the company, given that Q3 over here registered a positive net income, then that alone speaks that the sentiment of the market will most likely be bullish for this stock in the coming months or weeks. And overall, look at that. It has been on a heavy sell-off, happened since 2017 and the whole of 2018, right? And 2019 over here is just sideways movement. And where else can we go after that sideways movement, then most likely it will go back up over there. Okay, so treat east to west overall as a, for long-term investing. Good evening, Rose. All right, so let me put that down. You are requesting JFC, Ali, LHC, MEG, SMPH, and HLCM. Okay, all right. Let's start with JFC. Okay, JFC. All right. So for the investors of JFC, once again, it gave us a chance, um, a discounted price for this stock. So it went, it did bounce in the area where it is at right now. In fact, at around 220 level, it created that, okay, 220. At the area where it is at right now, it created a support in that level. So it's an area. So this was the support that we were referring to. And then today, it also revisited that area. Now, November 21st, I would have to say that overall, it won't go any. Okay, so slightly higher over there. While the stock is moving sideways over here to here, and then your RSI is also slightly higher, meaning you're about to face a possible bounce anytime soon. So let us say tomorrow, um, it gives us a green candlestick, then that's the time we can enter. Right? But if it continues to go down, just wait for it to stabilize in an area, and create a support in that particular area before you enter in the stock. But definitely, I would have to say, given that your RSI is slightly higher than your previous level, then that would mean it will bounce anytime soon. Okay, so JFC overall is a stock for long-term investing, and plus the fact that they will have a cash dividend to be released on the 10th of December. There you go. All right. So if you want to get in before November 21st, and hold on to the stock on the 21st of November. And if the price is not a deal yet to exit, just hang in there so that you will still be included. But just in case, by November 21st, we are at a resistance area and you're only trading this stock, November 21st is already good to exit. Okay? Again, if you entered around November 20th or November 19th, and the position of the stock is, let's say, it's in the support area, right? And then come November 21st, the stock moves. It's triggering the lower band